Hi everyone, my name is Vivek and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the ninth episode to add custom jQuery components on a fitness website. In the previous episode, we worked on the anchor link, and today we'll work on this read more and read less content. First of all, let's use the developer tool to check the HTML structure, and it seems like all the content is wrapped inside this p tag. We'll have to add read more and read less link using jQuery. So open your main.js, then add these three variables. The first variable is used to limit the character up to 100 letters. Then we have variables for read more and read less. We got 3 p tags, so let's use jQuery each function to loop each of them. You can use the class YOSBlock, calls, and p. Then inside this function, let's get content for all p tags and store them in variables. So you can use $this.html. Also, you can use console log if you want to see the result. You can go to console and refresh the site, and you should see all those 3 p tags. Now let's use if statement, and the condition would be if content.length is greater than so character. Then the first thing we'll do is to extract the content that would be visible using sub-str method and store them in variable. So let's add var so content as a variable name. Then you can do content.substr 0 and so character. This means the starting point, and this means length that is about to extract, which is 100. You can console log if you want to see the result. You can refresh the site. So only this character will be visible soon. Then we have to hide rest of these characters. So to extract the rest of the character, we can use substr method again, but this time without length value. If we don't add length value, then it will extract the rest of the string. So at this moment, we only have the starting point. You can use console log if you want to see the result. Refresh the site. Here you go. So this character will be hidden soon. Now, since we know which content to show and which content to hide, let's combine them all together using read more and read less link. Here, I have used show content along with some div and hide content. Then I have added anchor link for this read more link. Then finally, we have used HTML method to show updated content in this p tag. Now you can refresh the site, and then you should see a read more link over here. If you use developer tool, then you can see all of this div that we have created, and in one of the div we have used display none in CSS to hide the content like this. Now our goal is to show the hidden content whenever we click on this link, plus we have to change the link from read more to read less. So let's add click event for this read more link. You can use return false if you want to prevent URL being submitted. Then you can add if else statement over here, and the condition would be if this has list class name, then we have to remove list class, and also we have to add more link. Otherwise we have to add list class, and then we have to show list link. Refresh the site now, and now if you click on this read more link, it becomes read less. And if you use the developer tool, then you can see list class has been added over here. And now if you click on this read less again, you should see read more, and list class name has been removed too. Now let's show or hide this div using slide toggle method, and since this div is previous element of this more link, we can use $this.prev. Slide toggle, and if you want slow animation you can add slow too. Now you can refresh the site, and if you click on this read more, you should see more content, and if you click on this read less, you should see less content. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session we'll work on the accordion. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more tutorials in the future. Thank you.